estate, partly owned, partly still authority, Cornwall Council. Your parking is here, but it's on a first come, first served basis. But as you can see, there's plenty of space for everybody. Take you down to the properties. There's shared steps and path to the first to two properties. That's next door. This is 29. So you see you've got a nice enclosed garden here with grass, and then drops down to the front here. You've got a water tap there, so that's quite handy for watering. And then go into the house. It's been recently refurbished. There we are, there's a utility room. So it's got good sized cupboard. All the electrics are tucked away nicely, and there's plumbing there for a washing machine. All the doors have been replaced, flooring, kitchen, everything. So this is the lounge diner. You can see the dining area there. New wall heaters too. I'll take this opportunity to show you outside through the window here. You've got a small decked area, nice enclosed gardens and view. If that tree didn't have any leaves on, you'd be able to see the castle, but in the meantime you can see all the far-reaching countryside as well. Take you into the kitchen, all newly done. You're all tiled splashback in a metro style, quite neutral, like very light grey, the cupboards. There's space there for dishwasher, and then I would think there you could put your fridge freezer. Plenty of cupboard space here as well as the electric oven and hob. Good space down here in the hall. A dog leg style stairs taking you to the first floor, where you've got 3 bedrooms. Bathroom all newly done. Again, same sort of style of tiling, but slightly different colour, a nice green, light sort of greeny grey really. A new bath and shower. There's a cupboards there underneath the sink, as well as the hot water tank has all been boxed in as well. Separate loo, and this is the front bedroom. So you can probably fit a double bed, but I would say it's probably more single. And then you've got 2 double rooms here at the back. This is the smaller of the double rooms. This gives you a better view actually, and you can just see the top of the castle there as well. And lastly is the main bedroom. Again, good size, room for wardrobes and stuff in here, as well as your bed and the nice view. Property is about a mile from the town. That's what you can see. That's what those buildings are there. You're not far from the schools, primary, and then you've got senior schools over in the town, or senior school in the town for the older kids, and then there's a bus service fairly locally as well.